Hi students, today I am going to discuss about human ovum, ova, which is nothing but female gamete. This is the female gamete. Here is a non-motile. Here non-motile female gamete ova is the non-motile and pledoic. Pledoic, it means it have a shell. It have a shell. Pledoic and it has a shell. It means what? No, that is covered by the shell. Non-pledoic eggs are there, which are in the Pisces and amphibians. But this is belongs to mammal ova, right? That's the reason this is pledoic. And nature of ovum, which is the alecital. Alecital in nature. Alecital in nature. So here it means yolk is absent. Yolk is absent. So here in the process of oogenesis, ova or the secondary oocyte is produced. The secondary oocyte or the ova during the ovulation, secondary oocyte or the ova, it is round shape. You know that generally in the egg shape or the ova shape for the other things. Here is the ova which is having the nucleus here, and this is the ooplasm. What is the cytoplasm? Ooplasm. And moreover, this is the plasma membrane we call as the oolemma. What we call? Oolemma. Right? Ooplasm and oolemma. It has a, this is the nucleus, right? And around the ova, it has a, this layer we called as zonapellucida, which is the multicellular layer, and above a cellular layer is there, which is called as the corona radiata. This is the multicellular layer. This is the non-cellular layer. It's around the ova, right? See, these are the which cells are one to one attached by the hyaluronic acid. These corona radiata. What do you call? These are the corona radiata. And here is the that periphery of the ooplasm. We can find the small vesicles, which we call as the cortical vesicles. Cortical vesicles. These cortical vesicles are very essential during fertilization. It can prevent the polyspermia, means it can allows only one sperm cell, should not be allows the more than one sperm cell. Further, these cortical granules or the vesicles very essential to prevent the polyspermia by forming a one thick layer soon after entry of the one sperm, right? In this ooplasm have a number of mitochondria and glycogen and ribosomes, etc. are present. So here is the, see here, this ova, human ova, female egg, it have a polarity where the nucleus is there, the nucleus side. This pole is called as the animal pole. What we call? Animal pole. Opposite one is called as the, this one is called as the vegetal pole. animal pole where the nucleus is present. Opposite that, this is the vegetal pole. And here is a, that primary oocyte divides and form as a secondary oocyte and one primary polar body. And when primary oocyte divides in the meiosis II, secondary polar body will be formed. This secondary polar body, where it is there, here is there. This is the secondary polar body. There have a layer is called as a perivitelline membrane. Perivitelline membrane. Here is the secondary polar body. 1 or 2 there will be. After that, they should be disintegrate. So here this is the nucleus. Then when the male gamete will be fused with this one, and moreover this zona pellucida, this layer I told this is the zona pellucida. This zona pellucida have a receptors which are the zona pellucida 1 and ZP2 and ZP3. These receptors are there. Okay, and here is the corona radiata is the outer membrane which the sperm cell will be penetrate through these membranes. Right? I hope you understand. Thank you.